Hey, welcome everybody to 101 Old Railway Road, right here in Riverhead.
This home is the dream lifestyle property. From the moment you drive through this tree-lined driveway, you see this gorgeous family home behind us. There's plenty of space here for your family to enjoy.
And don't forget about the minor dwelling and lots of garaging for those toys. So come on through and have a look.
It's beautifully renovated throughout, so there's literally nothing for you to do but move on in and enjoy, and just enjoy opening up those doors to that beautiful indoor-outdoor flow.
It's a perfect entertainer. It's beautiful indoor-outdoor flow, and on top of it you've got the pool to entertain the children in the summer.
I do love the large outdoor living spaces. It just offers so much opportunity for the children, and just check out that pool behind us.
And to top it all off, it's set on over 6,900 square metres of freehold land. And to top it all off, we've got this beautiful 2-bedroom minor dwelling. It's got fresh carpet, fresh paint. It's just ready to move in.
Or extended family, or looking for a property that offers a little extra income, then you need to check out this one. Call one of the team today. We're here to take you through.